Hi, myself Manpinderjit Kaur. I'm doing Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education Care from IHNA. Yep. Today I set up a small musical corner and 24 months babies. So with the musical corner, I have small laptop with all the sounds and keyboards. So I believe setting up the music corner will develop babies' skills, motor skills. They use their hands, they make their own music, and their listening skills also develop, which can link to my EFL outcome number 5, which is like children are confident and involved learners. That's part. And then I think is with the music, when they press the button, they can learn the alphabets, the sounds. They can differentiate between sounds as well. That's all. Done. Finished.